I want to share some files with the virtual machine I got in the VirtualBox. And for that, I need to go ahead and create a shared folder. I'm going to name this Share with Parrot. Okay. And now in the VirtualBox, we go to Devices, and from there select Shared Folders, and then click on Machine Folders, click on Add, and then select the folder that we just now created. Now this is the folder. We're going to go ahead and select this folder. Now we need to click on Auto Mount and Make Permanent, so that even though we go ahead and reboot the Parrot operating system, the folder is still going to be there. So we click on OK, and then we click on OK again, and you'll see the folder pop up right here. Right now, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and access this folder. However, you will not be able to do that right now because it says you do not have the permissions necessary to view the contents of this particular folder. So we say, okay, no problem. Let's go ahead and fix it. We go to the terminal. Okay, now in the terminal, first thing I need to tell you is that the location of the shared folder is /media. And if I do a LL here, you find the shared folders right here, SF shared with Parrot, right? So that's the first thing. Now, I need to go ahead and change the permissions on this one. So I'm going to say sudo, and I'm going to say usermod, right? Usermod, I'm going to say A, and then I'm going to say -G as well. I'm going to say VBox SF. I changed the permissions for this one. My username is the Network Viking. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can do this as well. Who am I? Whatever the output of who am I is, it's going to replace that and place it in here. So I hit enter and I mention the password. That's it. Now, another thing you need to do is you need to change the ownership as well. So change the ownership. You mention -R. And then again, you can do the same thing like I mentioned before. You can mention this and then who am I? That's it. Now here you mention users and then mention media. I'm already there, but anyways. So you say SF share with Parrot. That's it. Now that we've changed the permissions, now we need to just go ahead and double click on it. And you see right there, we're able to access it. Now, how do we share files? All right, so back on the desktop, if I go ahead and, for example, copy this get token file right here, I say copy, and then go ahead and paste it in here. Control V, that's it. Now, if we go back to our virtual machine, and here, if I go back to media and then SF share with, there you go, get_token.py. That's how you do it. And if you go ahead and restart it now as well, because we've already changed the settings, it's still going to be there. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it down in the comments section. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great time ahead, and goodbye.